Hello everyone. My name is Hanan and you're watching unseen sights that you've probably seen and used many different types of cars in your life. But have you ever seen a car that can be driven from both sides at the same time?
In today's video, we're going to take a look at some of the most unique two-way cars ever built around the world. These creations are so unusual that they'll leave you amazed. So, let's start our countdown. Make sure to subscribe to Unseen Sights and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our informative videos. This is a two-way Toyota, based on the Yaris model. A 71-year-old mechanic from Indonesia spent years combining two identical cars into one that can be driven from either end. He wanted to build something unique, and he did. Unfortunately, the Indonesian government banned it after a few days, calling it too dangerous for public roads. This two-way car was built by two friends, but it seems like they didn't quite agree on how to drive it. If two people try to control a car from both ends at the same time, well, you can imagine the chaos. It's not road legal, but perfect for spinning around and having fun. Here we have a Nissan Mini pickup modified into a two-way vehicle by merging two identical trucks. It's powered by two engines and was customized by an Arab enthusiast in Saudi Arabia. Displayed in several auto shows, but not legal for regular roads due to high accident risk. This unique creation is based on an old Toyota Camry. Two Camrys were cut and joined to create an extra-long two-way car with two engines and automatic transmission on both sides. It's only allowed off-road, but it definitely turns heads. This two-way car is tiny and incredibly fun. It was designed for a motor show to stand out, and it did. Only two drivers can sit inside, and it got more attention than some of the most expensive supercars.
This two-way car from the 1960s-70s was made for advertising and attracting customers. It belongs to a car wash station, and it's only driven inside the station, but it never fails to amaze people.